planning a trip to the Bahamas and wondering which ESIM will give you the best coverage, speed, and value. I tested all the major options, so you don't have to, and here's what I found. Most travelers get this wrong. They assume any ESIM will work the same, but coverage and costs vary widely depending on the provider and your location and the islands. I tested three main options: Airlo, Holofly, and local Bahamian carriers. Airlo offers a global ESIM with Bahamian coverage. The setup is instant, and the app is user-friendly. Speeds were decent in Nassau, but on smaller islands, coverage was spotty. Holofly, on the other hand, gave unlimited data with 4G LTE, and it worked well even in less populated areas. The downside is the higher price compared to Airlo. Local carriers like BTC Bahamas offer ESIMs too. They provide excellent coverage, and the speeds were consistent across islands, but you need a local ID to purchase, which can be tricky for tourists. The surprising truth is that having a local ESIM doesn't always guarantee better coverage. Or choice depends on your travel plans. If you're sticking to major islands like Nassau or Freeport, Airlo or Holofly are convenient. If you're island hopping, Holofly's unlimited plan performed best overall. In conclusion, the best ESIM for the Bahamas depends on your needs. Budget-friendly travelers can go with Airlo. Heavy users should choose Holofly, and locals or long-term visitors may prefer BTC Bahamas. Subscribe for more travel tech reviews and tips to make your trips smooth and connected.